Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will be discussing the Excel IsLogical function. Excel's IsLogical function will return true if the argument is a logical value. An example would be a plus b equals c can return either a true or a false value. A greater than b can also return either a true or false value. So let's use 1 plus 1 equals 2. In our cell, let's type in equals IsLogical, open parentheses, 1 plus 1 equals 2, close parentheses. Since we know that this is a logical statement, the logical value will be true. If we use 1 plus 1 equals 3, we type in IsLogical, 1 plus 1 equals 3, close parentheses. This statement is false, but since it is a false value, the logical value would still be true. Now, if I put in something like equals IsLogical, double quote, all birds can fly, double quote, close parentheses, the value will return false. This is because the answer cannot logically be returned as a true or false value. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.